We are pleased to show you the 2015 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, auto headlight on/off, backup camera, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power outlets. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.